I've been making pizzas for several years now, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things to do. A few years ago, I got a wood-fired pizza oven. Last year, I bought a Gozney Arc XL. It's a propane-powered pizza oven. Absolutely love it, but I wanted something bigger with more capacity and the ability to do wood or gas. So I went out and I bought the Gozney Dome Gen 2 XL. Let's take a look at it. So just quickly to run through some of the control features on this, it does have an electronic control panel. So if you power it up, on the readout here, it gives you several bits of information. It gives you your battery level. It also gives you two temperatures. It gives you the dome or the ambient temperature inside. It also gives you a stone temperature. That's that flat symbol there, and that's the dome symbol there. And you can swap those if the other one's more important, like that. So you make your stone the primary. I like to keep mine where the dome is the primary because I can always see this over here. There's also a timer function, so you can actually set the amount of time if you are cooking something. There are two probe ports because maybe you're not just making pizza. That's one of the great things about this oven is you can cook other things in it. Now, this right here is the wood control module. So if you are going to be cooking with wood, you can actually put this in. It syncs with the control panel, and you can control the amount of air flowing through your wood or charcoal. It also can use charcoal. Let me show you how this pops in. Super simple. So over on the side of the Dome Gen 2 XL, there's just a little panel here. You leave that in when you're using just gas. It pops out, and you pop in the wood fire control module. You press this for a couple seconds. Powers on, and it syncs with the control panel. So now if I want to turn up the airflow, turn this dial, and the speed reflects on the control panel. You can even hold it and give it a boost, and it'll pump air through at a higher volume. And that shows on the control panel by it flashing. And you want to take it off that? Just touch it and you're back down to normal control. And when you're done using it and you want to go back to using just gas, just turn it off by holding this down, pop it out, pop the cover in. Now, if you are going to be using wood, you insert this little kind of platform for the wood, which fits right up against there. Whether you're using wood or charcoal, the air comes up through the bottom. And let me tell you, this thing is heavy duty. It is not a cheaply made piece of kit here. This is a substantial hunk of metal. It is heavy. But when you're not using wood, this just stays outside. It gives you more floor space in there for pizzas. Now, the wood fire control kit is an option. I went with several options on this. I purchased these. I went with the mantle. It extends your deck like quite a bit. So you have some more landing room for your pizzas and anything else that's in there. I also went with the door. Now, the door is not something you use when there's active flame in there, like propane, or if you have an active flame, wood or charcoal fire. This gets up to temp and it holds temp really well. So let's say you want to bake bread or you want to par bake a pizza crust. You get it up to temp, you turn your flame off, get your item in there and put the door on, and it's just like baking in an oven. I've done cookies in there, done steak, I've done hamburgers. It just holds heat so well. This is a multi-function cooking device. It's not just a pizza oven. One other accessory that I purchased with this was the stand. It is a beefy stand. It has two shelves that will fold up or down. I also bought the cover, which is super heavy duty, and it actually covers it with the tall flue on top of the oven. Really, really nice. Overall, everything that I've purchased to go with this has been super high quality along with the oven. Now, I have no relationship with Gozney. They don't know me from anybody. I have that Arc XL that I bought and I love. I have this that I bought and I love. I've cooked on this maybe 7 or 8 times, but spent my own money on this and I love it. But now we got to make a pizza. And first, what we need to do is fire this up. And you can't just fire it up and throw a pizza on. Just like any pizza oven, you need to let the heat come up and build in that stone. For this, I've found anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes on high is a good time. That gets the stone really saturated with heat so that when you put your pizza on, it's ready to go, it's ready to cook. We're gonna be doing kind of a Neapolitan style today, 62% hydration dough that I've already made. I'll do another video on my pizza dough method. There's lots of different kinds, and I'm no pizza making expert, but I just really enjoy it. So let's fire this up. Come over to our control dial, turn it and push it in. That oven temp is gonna climb, the stone temp is gonna climb, and in about 30 minutes or so, we'll be back out here, making a pizza, getting it in there, and tasting it once it's done. All right, the Gozney Dome Gen 2 XL is up to temp. I like it when I'm doing this type of pizza to have the chamber temp above 800, like mid 800s, and the stone temp to be above 700. So let's go ahead and make some pizza. Got some semolina in my bowl here. This dough has been cold fermenting for about 48 hours. It's a 270-ish gram dough ball. As I said, 62% hydration. Get coated. Get some semolina on our work surface here. A little on my peel. Remember what I said, I'm not a pizzaiola. I don't know how to make pizza perfectly. If it comes out round, it's usually a miracle, but it always tastes good. Start letting gravity do some work here to stretch it. Just doing a little stretch and pull here. We'll back my hands. That's looking pretty good. Did it on our peel. Give it a shake, make sure it moves. I'm gonna stir some sauce. This is just some pizza sauce I made. Again, I'll do a video about how I make pizza dough, pizza sauce. There are so many out on YouTube and the internet. Look at those. I'll do mine eventually. I'll be doing a lot of pizza stuff because I love these pizza ovens. And making other things in the pizza ovens. I'm gonna get a little bit of oregano right on here, just some dried oregano. I love the flavor of it on the sauce. Now the cheese I'm using is a blend. It's 60% low moisture mozzarella and 60% a sharp white cheddar cheese. Let's throw some pepperoni on here too. Why not? A couple for snack. A little bit of Parmesan. Still shaking good? Let's get this in the oven. Looking good here. I'm going to turn my flame down a little bit. Just going to take a few minutes. Give a little turn here. Different areas of the oven are different temperatures. The center I find is kind of in the middle, two far sides, obviously, towards the fire's hot and away from the fire because that heat travels over the dome. And the pizza peel cam here. Starting to get some nice leoparding there. Turn my flame all the way down so we're just really using the little bit of the flame on top and the stone. I want to give that bottom a little more time. Take a look right there. You can see how that's looking. We're not done yet, but we're getting close. Cooking pizza is a lot to do with your eyes. Looking to see when something is getting done, overdone. This type of pizza, you want a little bit of charring on it. At least I do. See how our bottom's doing? Getting some good spotting there, some good color. Just about done. A little bit more on this side. And I think we are looking good there. And onto a cooling rack for a minute. let's get it off our cooling rack. It just needs a minute. See how the bottom looks there? That looks pretty good to me. And let's cut it. Get our pizza over here for a taste. Let's grab this piece here. This one looks nice. Try not to burn my face off. Cheers. Some people will say, why would you spend thousands of dollars on a pizza oven? I spent about $900 when I got the Arc XL. This with everything was, I want to say close to $4,000 with all the accessories and the stand and everything. That's a chunk of change. So why would I do that when I could cook on the Arc XL? Or I could have gotten any number of other pizza ovens that cost less or more. I love cooking on these things. It's so fun. For me, it's an investment not only in what I do here, but also in enjoyment. I just love cooking on pizza ovens. And so this was something really I got for my enjoyment. And hopefully you'll enjoy it too. But you don't need an oven like this. You can cook in any one of a number of other type of pizza ovens. This is the one I chose. And man, I'm telling you, I'm loving every minute of it.